The DRD5S was thoughtfully engineered to give you a number of installation options. Utilizing a compact, integrated driver allows the DRD5S to install into most metallic octagonal and non-metallic round junction boxes, making it easier to update your current lighting and retrofit the DRD5S into many existing applications. In addition to our 4-inch round and 4-inch square, you may even want to expand beyond the downlight with our new 8-inch round and 15-inch linear modules, perfect for kitchens and corridors. Regardless of which size, shape, or style you choose, all DRD5S modules install the exact same way. For your safety, make sure that all power to the luminaire is turned off. Remove the existing fixture and socket bracket from the junction box. Once you've prepared the electrical leads for connection, screw the mounting bracket to the junction box with the 2 screws included. Attach the ground wire. Connect the line and neutral wires on the module. Push the module into the junction box. A slight nudge will be enough to lock it into place. And there you have it, the look and performance of a recessed light and an affordable price in an easy-to-install package. For more information on the DRD5S, please visit us at dmflighting.com or check out our showcase video, where we illustrate the many features of the DRD5S in more detail. Thanks for watching.